Andaman is one of the most beautiful places in India, known for its pristine beaches, clear blue water, and mesmerizing sunsets. This place has been one of my favorites. I decided to visit this island paradise and experience everything that it has got to offer. Hey guys, Mahesh here, also known as soulandfuel, and we are in Andamans. We reached in the morning, and we headed out as soon as we reached, checked into the hotel, and the first place that we wanted to visit was Chidiya Tapu. So we are almost here. So what you can see is the place also called as Manda Pahad and this beautiful beach out here. The best part is we kind of came in the off season, so there are hardly any people that you can see. So it looks even more beautiful. We'll be trekking up and we'll show you how the view is gonna be from here. This place is known for a sunset, so let's see how it's gonna be like. We started the 5 kilometer trek to the top of the mountain around 4:30 in the evening. All the way, the sound of the birds, the view of the ocean, and lush greenery made the trek really interesting. After an hour of trek, we are finally here in the Chidiya Tapu sunset point. So, just waiting for the sunset to happen and the sky to turn orange. After a while, the sky turned golden and the sun slowly started to hide behind the vast ocean. We cherished the moment, and it was indeed a sunset to remember. The next day, we decided to go to Vandur Beach, which is around 20 kilometers from Port Blair. Hi, right now we are in Vandu Beach, which is on the south of Port Blair. It's a very nice little beach here, well, mostly visited by the locals, and the drive to this place is really nice. A lot of greenery and a lot of trees all around. Swimming is not advised because, as I said, there are crocodiles on the banks of the river, so we didn't spot any. So, waiting for the sunset from here, I'll just show you. The beach also looks great. After 2 days in Port Blair, we continued our journey to other islands, hoping for more adventures to come our way.